maybe they don't understand what we do, but we still appreciate it. But the whole intention is to make sure everybody understands. That's the whole intention. Make sure everybody understands. And not just understand, to contribute as well. And to contribute as well. So, today, we'd like to take us over a year. This time around, gradually, small. We'll take up a different dimension to the learning. So that even wherever you are, all you need to do is just once you remember one thing, to take it to wherever you are. So you can access your Google. This is your Google. So a lot of us will just go directly. How we usually advocate people to. Please, if you have the writing material, I will appreciate if you are writing this first. Because I am a man of patience. I can be patient to go with us step by step. When you start working. And just to remind you again, I'm a Sunday school teacher. So I've been dealing with children. So I'm not looking at children as there's no children. But in case of people, I cannot look at them as children. Okay, so if you have already writing material, first of all, you go to your Google Chrome. If you have your phone, you can access your Google Chrome. Just go to your Google Chrome. Open it. Even though you can use other search engine, but what you usually recommend is to use Google Chrome. There are different between Google, Google, and Google Chrome. So find your way to your Google Chrome. If you find it, now who we have from here now, this is who we have. So who we are, this is us. This is us, this is our name here. So if you go to Google, just search for this name, Tyap Wikimedians User Group. Right there now. There you go. Tyap Wikimedians User Group. Look at it here. Okay. So if you navigate the way there, you come. Now, remember, whatever you want to do as a Wikimedia, always make sure you are logged in. Always make sure that the first thing you need to do, are you logged in? Because whatever activities you're having as far as Wikimedia or Wikipedia is concerned, we have what we call footprints. Until you are logged in, your footprint will show. So it's important for you to find your way to do. Be it English, so as whenever you find your way to any of the remember, what we call the Wikimedia. So Wikimedia is more than about so under Wikimedia we have the Wikipedia. Right? So under that one project, which is the dictionary, Wikimedia, Wikicommons, up to like 14. So the umbrella is called Wikimedia Foundation. So whenever you find your way in any of these projects, always make sure you are logged in. So that whatsoever activities you are doing there will be recorded that okay, create this, create that. Remember, our activities is what build us as editors. What we are doing there is what build us as editors. And as we are all doing this thing, everything you are doing is being tracked. Every activity you do is being tracked. And this is what we are doing today. We are not just here to waste it, but we are here to also present an opportunity for the company. an opportunity to better ourselves as a language and to better ourselves as individuals. Because by the time you understand all the logics, all the patterns, all the activities of this, there are a whole lot of benefits attached to it. Remember, we are anxious. We are not paying anybody anything. What we are not paying. But if you understand the concept, we are the issues. Especially the young ones, even our parents. Because even in Nigeria here we have what we call wiki with senior citizens. For those who are elderly and you take this one serious and can attach to something, where you can also benefit either directly or indirectly. Alright? So there are a whole lot of opportunities for the youth, especially because of this. There are a whole lot of things we are looking for in Sokoto. Remember, we, with their people, we are brought into the show. So please take it serious. But so long we do it here and remember, it's not recorded. If at the end of this session or at the end of the whole training, there are something you lack to understand, just move on to the videos. We share the link to the videos and watch. Step by step. Everything that we do. So we share the link to those videos, we go back and watch them. So that you have a better understanding. The problem of using Wikipedia is that we, from the Tyap community, we seem our network together than you. The only thing you have more than us. I don't know what is it. So we are ahead. You are ahead. So, but the things, I believe even after today, for those of us who speak English, just organize yourself. At least, if you can organize yourself to a number of at least minimum of 10, we can sacrifice our time. If you have a stable network, we can stay from wherever we are from our and we can online. We have to organize this at least minimum of 10 people. If we don't have minimum of 10 people, we cannot waste our time. So if you want an additional session after this one, we can sacrifice that. Okay. So I believe you are clear on this. Yes. All right. So if you come to self-convenience user group on your Chrome, and secondly, I want to believe all of us here, we have our mobile phones, mobile devices, right? Because that is also very important. If you don't have a mobile phone, I think you are not just wasting your time, but you are also wasting our time. Because the key point is for us to have our devices, smartphones. That is what we can use to access. You can use any phone to access it. If your phone doesn't have access to the internet, then you are almost wasting your time. So please let's take note of that. So yes, so this is where we are. Now let me start from the beginning. This is my goal, right? So I will type Tyap. So look at Tyap Wikimedians User Group. Once you do it's work. So if you come and look at this first one here, this first one, Tyap Wikimedians User Group, Meta Wiki. So if you click on this one, it will bring you to our main Meta interface. So this is our main interface to Meta. Alright? So from here you can see this is the main page. This is us, and then here you can see the main page. Here is members. I think all of us here are supposed to register here as members of the Tyap Wikimedians. Because whether you like it or not, you are operating under the umbrella of the Tyap. So you are part of our members. So you will supposed to register here as members. And for those who are able to register under the camp, the same process is registering your membership like you. It's the same way you also register under the main. And the second is the management team. If you want to know more about the management this organization, this is the agenda, right? And then here is hubs, community and hubs. So under this community and hubs, if you click on it, community and hubs, it opens like this. Now, so far we have some hubs distributed to some regions. We have one in Zaria and one in our main hometown, Tyap. And then we have the Jew community, which is also a different language community, just like here. So now we also have the Hyam here under look at the tree. So, so that is that about the box and community. Now, under this also, you can see here we have projects, events, and meetups. So all our life of activities is written here, it's documented here under projects, events, and meetups. Then here is our community meetings. We usually hold quarterly meetings, quarterly community online. So all our community members, now we're part of the community. So whenever a call is being called for a meeting online, we are then expected to participate. So that we listen to what the organization's position to do, because what the organization is doing. All right. So this is what I've done so far. I recorded here. So remember, our activities here is an open path. We are not a secret cause. We do everything in the open, and that's why it is so documented here. Everything. So most of the pictures we are also snapping you. You see yourself as all right. You by the time you finish everything, you upload it and then you go back and see. So everything we do is and what's what we call the mentor method. So the mentor method is being designed to equip us Wikimedians from scratch. People don't have the physical rate of the Wikimedia project. Here is to create the mentors, the mentees from here. So that is that they will have partners, right? So the partners are ideally the Hyam language and Bible translation system. It's also part of our salvation. But look at it again. And then if we find that everything is okay, then we will include them as part of our plans and we work on that. But there are criteria we need to look at first to make sure everything is balanced before we can adopt them as our partners. Because we are working with languages. So we focus on language, especially language because formal language translation, not the informal ones. The ones who are formal, they are known by the people that okay, these are our language translators. And we work with this. And then our activities reward is here. And we also have bylaws. Because for certain people we are guided by certain laws. So they are all here. Now, from the main space here, you have to find our way to the Hyam Wiki Outreach. All you need to do is to come to this hubs and communities. Other hubs and communities, click on it. If you open, Hyam Wikimedians community is down here. Hyam's here, then click on it. Now you log this. Now from here, the links from where you are. The Hyam Wikimedians community is an arm of the Tyap Wikimedians User Group. The Hyam Wikimedia community is an arm of the Tyap Wikimedians community in established in September 20. That was when we started this established. Now, the Hyam Wikipedia Outreach. Now, this one, as you look at it, is highlighted. But once you click on this Wikipedia Outreach, you do not take it back to this place. Right, this is where we usually have most of our activities since very. Now, for those of us who are writing, you see how I navigate my way. All right. So you see how I navigate my way. I don't. We have understanding of this one. Somebody down online. So this is my Google form. So from here, I just type chat. And the first thing we see meta wiki. You click on it, take it to the main interface of the chat. So from here, I just look at communities and hubs. Click on communities and hubs. Then from here, we can come to under the Wikimedians community. Click on this. From here, I just look at it, but I didn't need to understand the message. Outreach. Click on it. It will bring you again. It will bring you. So this is your now. Apart from this one is another way, but I think this one is most sustainable. All right. So if you cannot, the link will be provided on the WhatsApp group and Telegram group. That one is just to take you guys to this. That walking through how you can watch this. That's what it is. But the link is still there. If you don't want to go through the process, you can just click on that. Simple people you know how to find it. You know, they say that. So what we have been giving you is this one is the fish, and now we're trying to show you how to fish. Yes. The other one now, no, it's just that I wouldn't want to talk more about that. So from here to the interface, main interface, project events and meetups. Project events and meetups. So if you don't want to come to communities and hubs, you can come to event and click on it. Now, from top, from 2021, these are all nine of our. So you scroll down, you see how to share. This is also another from here. From here. Once you click on events, project and meetup, you scroll down, you see it down here. But this one will still be moved. That's why this one is also it will be moved to the main place. It is okay, yes. So you can also come to this place. What you click it is straight again to this place. So you understand this steps. Okay, let's all right. So this is where we are. So for those of us who are with their phones following step by step what I'm doing. Now, how do we I believe how many of us know how to locate where the items are? How many of us? Nice. From the interface here, that is here. Now the day we started the event, that day was on Friday. And throughout that day, we had a series of activities that the recordings for that activities are here. Look at this link here. If you click on this link, it will take you to the rest of the activities we had that day on Friday. No, this is the records for that day. You see, so the activities we started. So everything is very recorded. So we just should just as a result. So this is the way we start. All right. So go back again. Now, after that session, the session ended, and here's another link for another one. This one is another link. So all the sessions for that link are recorded. So let's go back if you have any confusion. That's how to do that. Then they took pictures yesterday, which was yesterday. So here is the recording. The recording is so yes, they also very different movies. You can click this one and it just show you. Everything is being tracked like that. So if you just click on this thing, you take it to the activity. Everything like that. Now today, which is at the top day and the last day, which is Sunday, 20th September. Now, the recording currently is recording as you see. Everything we are doing here is recording. And if you want to watch live, just go there and click on this link. You watch everything as I'm talking you this music live. Okay. So that is done. Yeah. Somebody has. So you frequently. All right. So now this is where we are for today. 21st, 28th of September. We're looking at what we have. So we'll just go back and look at the activities we have been doing. Of course, we have our I mean, just brush our mind, brush ourselves, and small time. So we are going to focus on the English. We are going back to the English over and over. So scroll down to this place, you see Sunday 26th September. So the activities for today is just will maybe two, because I want to introduce another because we a lot of the people they are looking at us as like stretch. We are stretching to have one. We are people after not those things, right? You know the cardinal so you can either pass through our side, pass through the back. So here it is. So we'll be introducing two topics today. We talk about the Wikipedia, which is all that you do. We have advanced skills, different language writing systems. The different writing systems. We're going to take a look at small confusion here. Maybe somebody yes, you have I have some people who have behind. So let's go, let's look at what we have today. So today we're looking at the Hyam Clicking on this link, clicking on this link, it will take you directly to the page. And this is about it. This is how our interface looks on the link. Who are actively working. If you look here, this is our check. This is down here. Wiki activities. Now, this is where it is. So from here you see who has been working and who is not. So as of yesterday, we have a number of persons who are quite active. And today we have seen that it's like some people are overtaking some, while some just went back to sleep, which is not nice. Which is not nice. So look at it. We have Francis here. Francis here, who has been quite very active. So, where so that people will see, thank you very much. Thank you. We have, is it getting right? My mother, right? Okay. She's quite very active. It's one of the daughter here. She's doing very well, so well done. And we also have praise. Praise too. Please praise. Lady too. What's happening? What is happening? And it's the youngest one. I see what you are trying to hide on that song. That's what I mean. So look at them, they are the ones leading the race. This top three. From here, this particular name here, forget about it. So don't do like two, these three people. I don't know how they are able to do it. Even as much as that. And like almost the young girls among us. See why we are pushing. See why we are pushing. Notwithstanding. So for what we have to do, for those of us who are leaders, we should hold this local very seriously. Also remember that what we are doing here now requires a lot of sacrifice. A lot of sacrifice. Today, was on Friday we are here. Somebody somewhere is paying fee, saying transport subsidy for this facility. Alright? Just to make sure that this language is documented. Now, after we get today, somebody will have to take it. encouraging these governments to make sure they control what they are selling. Because if you leave them now today, what will happen? This one that you see as showing is more than like and encouraging awareness. Remember, the work requires aptitude of the internet, which means it requires internet connectivity. Looking at that size, that follow that point, but nobody's got that. But let's no. That's so they are young people actually. So maybe to some extent the finances can be a little bit of challenge. So whenever they come to this, and for them who are active, my need is some sort of data support for them, but can also find a way to reach out to us. Just to encourage the language and the community, we see how they push this. We cannot provide everything, but the people we can assist much to do it. Just to support. When you come to the internet to this support, please. But then you cannot come to us looking for the support if you are not answering. Remember, everything you are doing, we are saying. You cannot come and tell you that, and then I go back and check your own. So that doesn't make sense. So I believe you are also we are together. So if of doing the work we are doing, if you have any challenge of internet or data support, patience, just to encourage you to keep doing what we are developing ourselves. Remember, for those who are going to be incredible, that's what we call the foundation provide grants. Foundation on the grant program, where we can provide we also analyze the like this among yourselves. Among yourselves. So we actively what have been consistent in your faith. Remember, the more you are consistent, the more you appear with it. And the more you will be able to train others. Alright? So by the time you become more consistent in contributing, you have the knowledge, you have the understanding. Okay, I believe this sounds correct. So you also apply for that grant to really to teach them what you now we are only here to share what we know. So our past learners, it is you that pressures them. If you reach a level, we will be monitoring. But you are mature to apply for grants. You are mature to apply for grants. Now, program which can let's say 2 million to 500,000 million. This active contribution to the businesses to support you to do these programs. But you cannot carry the money and give it to the other person. The person has to be an active contribution. So this is where we need to be very intentional about we are not here to please us. We are only here to help set the language. But to help set this language. Because whether we like it or not, to read this language is great. What does the language? And if we're not careful, we should go down. And the best way to set this language is through communication. And we really know what's going on. Most people doesn't rely on the hard copy books anymore. Yeah, because the Bible is dead. So everything is one digital. For those who are writers, this is another platform also. And those resources. But remember, everything as far as Wikimedia and everything that is free. It's an open source knowledge base. They are trying to monetize it, doesn't work. Everything you put there is free. Accessible. Just as a accessible Wikipedia for free. Because you can get Wikipedia, it was people that are putting them there. People like me and you are putting them there free. So we call ourselves volunteer our access and put those information. So even for us, a lot of us have this but we let us just and we appreciate you. So everything we do, put it in mind. Not this is what you do, but you have a way of encouraging people. That is programs. So I'm going to understand. All right. So from the active editors, at least these two, this one is not encouraged. We have about 55 persons registered. We're talking about if you remove our part of our team members here, if you remove them, they have about 9 active. Because as this strike, so edit is not up to edit, it will be strike. I can see last night, it is it's not up to 10. As people are giving contribution to 8, Nicholas 7. So when we complete this contribution to others, before it can be counted as active. And this is expected of us to be consistent. So it's not just because we are having a program here, we have to no. That's not the purpose of it. We have our language and we have to be consistent. Everything we are doing, go back and continue working on it. There is two people now so that you can access it in the issue language, just as they are using in Tyap language. So those people will be read in Tyap. And that is all. It's part of the program, whatsoever we across. So kind of us to continue doing this. It's not for us to stop. It's not for us to stop. It's for us just to have a true great program. We let our compost and let it. But anyway, I did it. Yes. People here. No. That's not. So they have been nice. And even that auntie for there, she has been very nice. The hospitality is awesome. So we appreciate you. Thank you very much. So please, let's look at it. If you look at the table here now, even if you can access just the access, you can just look at the control. Does it make any sense? If not, please more than that. I also understand that people have been creating quite a number of articles, some translations, but yes, they are down. But today, the month is ending by next Tuesday. Yes, I feel pushing it like that. So please, we need to push all of this. We have to push to make sure you are doing this. Push yourself until you come up so that you will act as more people. If you don't come up here, you can't yourself out. That's what that. And guess what? As I'm talking here, there are people who are against the government. If I refresh this now, you see that some people numbers will say that. If I refresh this numbers, but that's not what we are. Let us be intentional. So for us to be intentional, we'll go back again. We'll assign everyone. We'll assign everybody will be. So let's go back. So from here now, if you look at it, this is the page. If you come to creation of page, just click down here. Are we seeing it? Yes. Click on here. And to bring us to the activities we have been doing so far. Francis, you work yourself. Yes. You have to assign it yourself. Look at it. Assign. That thing you have been doing before. Now you have to correct. If you cannot do it, I'll just say it. I will correct it from account. Scrolling down here, people who are articles. Yeah, look at this number 17. Yes, you do not assign it to yourself. So, some people are there, and yeah, yeah. So you are not, have you assigned it to yourself? But it is not showing here. Look at it.
No, refresh.
Yeah, yeah. So that's it. And again, if you look at here again,
User page.
now if you look at here, you'll see that all the name of the house, all your names are in red. Isn't that concerning? It is, right? And if you look at here, you see this name is in blue. But all your asking. Sorry?
Asking those few data that have been
Okay, that's you just that's doing what you can have as multiple as millions data. It won't change. So there's what we call user page. User page. Alright? So I will just show us how to do it quickly so that our names will begin to look properly. Alright? So let me just show us. Now, from here now, look at it up here. This is our username. You can see a username here. See our username. Okay. So I want to show you again. There's something I want to tell us. In the Wikimedia, we have types of we call it mobile view desktop, right? So what you are seeing here now, you have your phone. Because I'm using a computer, that's why it's showing this on these tools. Because I'm using desktop. That's another terminology I want to take. Yes, if possible, write it down. This is called desktop. For us to change it to how it will look on the alright. From here, just scroll down. Down. Last. With the action. Down here. Scroll down, you see this five here. Did you see it? Now, you get to this place. You see it. I want us to go ahead. Let us go. Not something we do better. Something
because it's mobile.
yes, because yes, it's showing desktop. A lot of us use desktop. Because it is mobile. Now, I'll change it to mobile. I'll just click mobile. So it will change to how you are seeing it in your computer. Now, this is how it is in your phone. Yes. This is how it is in your phone. So I'll change it to mobile. So it will look like this. It will look like this. So without wasting any of our time, go from here. You can't find your username from here. Just come to this table. Look for where your name is on this table. You can see on your name. Just click on it. Click on your name. Click on it to open. It opens right now. We will need to take a little bit minute to provide guidance to you. So then you just go around and guide you. So we'll just come around and guide you on how to guide.
So let me open to something here so that there's something that I need to. So, uh, Francis Nero, look at this one. So this number two, if you click on it, you are going to see it was initially written in Queen. In Queen. So if you need to do a translation to Hyamtahan, you need to create another page entirely. So we will not have two dialects on the same page. It doesn't work that way. So for that, there's a solution to it. All I need you to do is this: you click on this very number two. You understand? Then you cut this one, just cut this one. Then you click on this very place, and then you cut out. I do it from my own because I want it to be recorded in your edit. Once you cut it, are you looking at God? Once you get on, okay. So you just take it to this very place. You take it to this place. You assign yourself the article, and then click on these two. Once you click on two, then you paste. You can see everything will change back to here. That then paste it and okay, are you looking at the board? So when you cut it from this way, you come back to this the same tool and then create it. Then paste what you copied before now. You understand? Good. Okay, so you don't and then you publish it. Then you assign yourself the article here. You understand? So the same thing for any of our speakers. If you need to translate any of these ones that were translated to Hyamta, all you need to do is to create another portion and then just observe how we did this one. This two is in Quen, this two is in Hyamta. Just readjust the spellings to Quen or the other way around. So you can have one in Quen, one in Taram, so that both of us will have it on their Wikipedia. Are we all okay with things like that? But do you understand what I just explained? If you have any we'll still be checking throughout as you are working on them, we'll still be looking at what you are doing and then we'll notify you on the WhatsApp group or Telegram group what you can do to adjust. At the end of the day, when we are out of the incubator, we find it more easier to understand because this incubator is too chopped up, it's too small for us to expatiate to make things the way we want it to. Yeah, so now we have two. When you click on two, you can read it, but you have to delete this one in the Q&A question. Okay, and then when you go to Lithium Taha, you can be able to also read in the same thing. Only this one, only one it can be linked to connect it to data, Wikidata. That's the implication for the dialect. So just keep on doing whatever you are doing. It's very easy. Both of the dialects can be represented. And even the Shaman editors, I don't know, has any one of you created anything yet? Which one have you created? Which one? Yeah. Okay, John, Shaman. Have you created one yet? Okay. That's when yesterday. Okay. Okay. Is it Nicholas Mama? Okay. Okay. No. I can see Shaman. But you have not created the article yet. You only assigned yourself. Okay. Okay. You have created Indian. You created Indian. Okay. This is in Shaman. Okay. 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 But we need to put something at the bottom to notify others that this is the dialect. This is what you need to add to the bottom. You have to add category, Hyam, Shaman, like this. Okay. Let's look at let me check the home page again and be sure if it is what that we need to add. Okay. Okay. So Shaman is having its own language code entirely. Okay. Okay. I think in the case of Shaman, we just write Shaman. Uh, but it's also a dialect of Hyam. Okay. So we'll just be adding this very category, shaman, to all the dialects, all the pages that you created. Okay, so you call your own Indian as India. India. Okay. Okay. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. But you call body now. Boom, boom. Okay. Boom. M. Okay, boom.
Yes.
Boom.
Yes.
Oh,
N-G-B-O-N.
okay. Okay.